Hey, birthday girl. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, baby. Oh, God.
Happy birthday, sis. Here.
How we are going to catch up, Kayla?
You.
Thank you, mommy.
Oh,
You don't want to catch up?
Nice.
How you love ketchup, so.
I want she to use the ketchup on her head because she had eating and up on her head after her birthday.
Oh, God. You can't be nice to your sister for her birthday.
But think if it's keep the ketchup and go up on YouTube and learn how to cook.
Next year, we try that.
So,
Anyway, how it feel to be 18, big adult now?
Just feel normal. I have no idea. I can't go out. We need ID.
Well, it will come. You have to go post office. It will come. So you posted that they already.
Oh.
But Michael,
ID ready already. Mommy.
Everything in time. Everything in time.
So, what I plan for today? Just to give all when I get?
Yes.
And then you may thought you don't give me nothing.
Me dad,
I just give all one me get?
May have my plans.
Oh.
I have my plans. That's why me give you a gift early. And me have to go run out and get some shopping and think. And me, I cook a pot, all of your favorite. All lobster me line up for you.
Alright, mama, go and go get the ad and come.
Alright.
That's so nice.
So, like how you is 18 now, me just want to let you know, say, we're proud of you, you know?
Yes.
We're proud of you. You see, any little thing you want to do, from it legal and it's straight, me not have much. But me will help you. You see, any little business or job or nothing you want to do, me will help you.
Okay.
Alright, come me work hard.
Yeah, like when
Put it
you're 18
easy.
now, you know, plan to look at work.
You can't look at work.
No, like when you're 18 now, you can't look at work.
You can look at work too. You're 18 soon.
We get where when you reach that bridge.
Okay, when we reach my bridge, we cross my bridge.
So you now want to look at work?
Alright. Me gone.
Me not have a
Me have shopping
child
for
to
do
mind.
and me have cooking for do.
Where's she gone?
I'm for no.
Anyways.
Hello? I tell you, my birthday now, what? We can't get to something today. Alright, me I come. Don't move.
What's that me gone to?
So yeah, dude. What's up, I do about, bro? Yeah, boy, nice one at easy. True, man. Cause look there, see me plant some color over there. And then I dry out. I know what I'm dealing with water. I do election time, you know. I'm supposed to get water. I'm not getting water.
See him so it
Time rough, see me.
Tell her,
You
bro.
know, me one time if you just jump out of the farming thing and just do something else. Better I go thief. Cause I swear y'all think I joy, it's not easy, dog.
I say that, man.
It's not easy, bro. You also you see them not cheap. But I want to see them not cheap, yo. When you spend money on the seed, plant you have to say, alright, this is for that. So you can take out money if you try to pay yourself to when you sell it. It's not easy.
True, man. We believe you, man.
It's not easy, bro. So what are we going with them?
Leave me there, you know. I'm putting so in my mind.
Better I'm going to scam with that because you make money.
You know, so not too tough now and going for me right now because things and times are getting slow and chill. Slimmers.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm there.
You good?
Yeah, you good?
First thing I see about the place, you know what? Because you're mad about the place every day.
No, myself, I go to my place me there in my ground.
Oh.
You know, go about now, you know, party, you
You
know.
must single.
Yeah, I'm single.
Oh.
You like a them, you single?
Yes. How are?
You
What's the problem?
You not tell a lie, man. You single.
Anyways, what you
Man, so you check it out, you know, next month.
All that too. You know, say me not believe saying single to for real, bro. Look how she look.
First of all, say me didn't even taking I'm single. Anyone that you want to think in your head, you couldn't get me. See man like a uno, full cock off on the slippers, uno pants down on the body. Like say, on a scam. Like say on a batty man, on exposing an ass around the so. Me no want man like a uno.
You see pants on my body?
No, yeah, you alright, pass on your body.
So you say uno.
Me attack him.
See, you
An
say
example,
him.
me I show
You
you.
not say uno.
No, you just no fall of chat. That's the problem with you now.
Say I deal with my friend, so.
And you me a chat to me, I could have been your friend or your uncle, whatever I want to be, and me a chat, and the argument done. It's so powerful that
You
look.
man to me attitude like.
Hey.
Come now want somebody like I am. You cut up a icky over here next time I talk about look woman.
But one way I go, man. You feel say nobody else want you.
You feel like you
Man,
tap me, you
just
didn't want me, and you tap me, you
compliment
press.
Man, I gonna feel a string bean.
The man does a compliment.
Yeah.
Yeah, one attitude.
Man, I gonna feel a string bean.
It's a girl like them there. And money them want. Money. You better say with the papa out of Kyle and say, Mama.
You ready? No.
He ain't ready. Anything you say in jump. Mama come go on.
Come,
Like.
yeah, I mean, man, I gonna hope they gonna feel a stingray.
Just say better still better go up on the line. Cause you know my mother want money right now. I'm not have it.
Boy, you better stay there farming right now. Just one client me there I want to catch right now for buy a piece
Too
of.
old long yet? You not catch none yet?
Brother, me not catch you right when you can set my life, cause right now me even pray for buy a
You
land.
better did go do fishing. Something would have must catch on the line already.
No,
Amount of fish you would have catch.
you know, say better me than do pray.
You better you go do done fisherman.
Cause right now me a pray like to set my life. Right now I want piece of land, I want buy some weed seed, I want farm, I want do farming to brother.
Hey, you think say that weed business there are easy thing? You have to have a license. And whole person me here. You can't just take up yourself say you plant weed so people send police to your place.
True that.
That me I tell you,
Smart.
you have to think. See me have to me sitting there my boy so me not say me look at each one and two sucker around the back but I know whole heap.
You're smart, bro.
People bad mind and send police to your place.
True.
You have to think out. Is me my virgin and I show you right. So I'll do that, get your license number one. So you get the line of fence up good too.
True, man. Cause no,
People go over and thief your things too.
And
Yeah,
the cow, they have cow around the place.
I want them pants some picture. I cow them come yam down my things.
So the same
I look the thing, me know Barry when I get big chop off one of them head. It's a lucky thing. A Barry cow, me say, don't make them come back over and make them come back. A cow me have over my yard.
So what Barry say about it?
My cow say, oh, me can't control them and walk me fence up. But you see me place fence up. I jump, then jump my fence. Come over my property.
Next time then come over them and chop up one of them or you capture one of them. And you lock him up over your farm. I fear that now.
So everything bad that I do.
Circle, see me a circle for my boy them and plus up.
Oh, I go on the line.
Yeah, man.
I'm the over to still have weed out them pumpkin.
Alright, bro.
Alright.
Don't come back yet.
No, she'll come and take mommy.
It look like say she really a full gyre earth strong, eh?
Yeah, like she happy.
I love that.
Like she happy.
I love
And then my ugly picture and she shall put up on me so I'm just find them, you know.
You can't give her one day for nice to her man. Not always, you always a pick on her.
Me not pick on her mom, it's called loved. These are good memories of us.
Remember that day?
Yes, yeah.
Rain wet, so don't look like wet rat to true.
And then when I'm shall post about the happy birthday.
She would have killed you. Hey,
Hello.
birthday girl.
Yes. So now my first one on the move.
Mm-hmm.
So you know my first one me left you.
Yes, me go up on the road and come back before
Oh. So happen now.
And we ask you.
Are you me fi ask me and I say I go buy up some things? and
Yes,
so
you
happen.
don't smell the food. You
No.
just, your nose all blocked.
You cook?
Of course we cook.
Alright, so I pray now.
We just want to know how you full joy your day so far.
I'm not full joy, nothing. I just go up and walk. When I get no more gift than the one that you will give me. When I get no money, me here no do nothing.
Oh man, know yourself. Yes, you're here soon though. You soon learn off your dead for hunger because you're getting an adult age, so you got to bang your belly sometime to get through in a life. Maybe go teach you then someday.
I want somebody me hate is you, Kayla. For my birthday, you can't give me one day for breathe in peace.
Papa, you're here soon, girl.
Yeah, here
Just
soon.
thank God you live to see the day, that's all. Me that you want ketchup, you never want it. You could have throw it past some mackerel rice and eat it.
I tell them I'm hungry. Mommy, I say she cook food, lobster and fish and things.
I tell her lie. Tell her the truth. I'm not saying no cook food. Tell her the truth.
Oh,
She
guys,
not
stop
feeling
cause problem.
I mean,
Stop cause
you know, cook food.
problem. Of course we cook the food. You're gonna make your 18 go. Listen. Now you reach 18. Me love how under the two I know is my good girls, you know. Oh God, and make me so proud. After you know how I'm proud of you. And you reach 18 now. Alright, you here no though, but everything I go on. Everything I go on.
Yeah, give me no money from bro.
Of course. So we're gonna eat and we're gonna give you a little thing it's in my room. And we're gonna give the 2 hour now.
Why the 2 hour and I'm
So you know what I'm going for you. You know what I'm
Me don't want
going for your
that
birthday.
for me. Me
No,
go buy myself.
man.
For my 18th birthday, you never did give me nothing. You give her money and she not grateful for it. Give everything to me.
Oh
We
God.
bring her out. And hold on for the money.
On my birthday, no?
Yeah, we realized that.
Mommy, talk to me. Talk to me.
Just a second. You see when it was yours, me do my best, you know. But remember, say me did just get made redundant and everything. Me never have it like that. That's why me I give the 2 hour now.
And you give me
Money.
mackerel. Mackerel was what you give to me on my birthday. Right?
Alright,
She
me I
loved
make
I
it
was
up
giving
now.
her
Me I
ketchup.
make it up now. Me I make it up now.
Alright, make it up, mommy.
And
Make
and
it up.
and and want to talk to you because you reach womanhood now. And then little boy, I'm pissing to your
So you
boy.
call womanhood.
Get
Hood.
18.
Ah,
You're going to have to look out to your eye them. Because them brain Nancy up on the road. Me no know
You
if
call bread dance, mommy. Man,
Nancy.
and the man, the man.
Yes.
Stop play dumb. Stop play dumb.
Mommy, you can't talk to me by myself one day. Why is she always in the room?
Because the two don't need to hear this one time. I'm in a love repeat myself.
Okay, talk it, mommy.
You have to watch them brain Nancy on the road, you know.
Yes.
Can brain Nancy more can't sweet like a them. They're not telling you if I have no relationship. Have relationship, you can have like a boyfriend. And you must have feelings and things. I mean, I even want to know if you know his very. But still, use this here. No bother running and say, I'm in love. Use on the head.
Yes,
When I was 18 now. When I say no, I look work and everything, I'm proud of now. Use your head. Don't jump in straight to the heart. And no follow them.
Yes,
Them
mommy.
sweet and them mouth here. But God of the turkey and burn up. May I come?
What?
Mommy, look more touch with you.
I believe I'm going to ask you something.
What?
Me know say you just turned 18 and past the age of consent, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have virgin?
What that have to do with you?
No, come on. No, if you do things out there, you say, mommy, not guide you right. Man, if you do things are
Me
wrong.
alright, and if you know, you're a virgin?
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
You ask me that.
Okay, don't ask me that either.
Till you reach the age of consent,
You
have
reach
a
the age of
boyfriend?
consent a long time. You have a boyfriend?
No, me not have none at the
No,
moment.
me not have none at the moment. Would have gone out already. You realize me here no do nothing no do.
No, we girl just thank God you live to see the day and talk worry about here.
Okay, me thank God already.
Mommy, where you there with the money?
Here come.
Hurry
Yeah,
up.
yeah, it's okay, but no.
You see your head in turn.
She in the car there in the socket.
No, you reach 100.
Oh, plug it out. I see what me I go buy for where I go out. I wonder how much money she give me. I should have so long.
We nearly never have no dinner, you know. Alright. Me not really have it like that, but me have. I got because it's your actual earth strong now. Me have 1,001 for you, and this is 1,000. Look, me not had no more purse empty. Me give on everything me have. Here, take it, go and enjoy yourself.
Mommy,
But nobody full in the belly.
what
Come
me
here,
I gonna do
cook.
with this? Tell me. The woman say my hairstyle is $11,000 and one of the ear them are $4,300.
You get job yet? Me tell you to go buy a birthday drink.
Yeah.
You and your sister go get a birthday drink, but nobody full up on the belly, you know.
So she gonna pay me fare with that.
I don't work it out. That's
She
all
has to
I
pay
have.
my fare with
Alright,
that.
give it back then. No want no birthday drink. Give it
No, me
back.
thankful.
Give it
but me
back.
ask about the fare part.
I don't work it out, man. That's
How much
every
money
look. That's everything I have.
Alright, that's for 2 hours fare. I'm gonna buy ice cream with this.
At that, miss.
And keep the change.
Alright, but nobody full your belly can call me a sweat over the stove. Anyhow, dinner ready and no can't eat it. Me and no. 18 or
Mommy, me I go bed.
Alright.
I go bed
Just
first.
I realize something.
What?
We dey in a poverty. Cause me a big 19-year-old girl. And you dey look on me $700.
Oh God, look, see the other part. Let me hold on. Let me look on the other part of my purse.
Let
No,
me-
let me look in at the other part. You want it now though? You want it now? Correct.
Where's that shit? Where's that shit? Where's that shit? Where's that?
Alright, already.
Yeah, it's so hot there. Up here for me. My mommy there. What I need? Make mommy put it when she come in. When she come in, she put it up. How she there?
I'm not supposed to do her, girl. She never see her.
Yes, so she out there, come.
No, it's over the back door.
Morning.
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 Oh, hold on, you have outside, man.
The cock crow.
Oh,
I mean, want to do all the outside things before the sun beat too hard, man. We can't take the sun.
Well, I think we want to go look and work for come and help you, cause I'm tired of the tin food now. I get to my
Okay.
belly right now.
Okay. I'm proud of that.
Yeah,
I
mommy,
like that.
because tell you, mommy, me at 19 and me no have a job, mommy. I don't want to call myself what this, no, but I what this, until you got my attitude. So we are saying, I go on the road and now go see if me can look at work, because me need a job, you know, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
I year alone. We are so fine in our work out. Me need to see if me can put something on the table too.
Yeah.
Oh God, we're proud. What me do if you deserve or not? We're proud of after no. Look how much 18 and 19-year-olds, all them I do, I walk street and I scam and I gold dig and I sell what them not for sell. Oh God, we come from zero to where we did now, you know. We are come, we're proud of you know. So what kind of work you want?
Well, and I really want to know. I remember say Jamaica, this is what we can get, cause when I really have a subject, them and them something that we look work or we really want. So that's why we have to get.
Well, we get a bar work when we take care of supermarket work.
Okay.
When do the supermarket one? You can't take him and them and then chat, then drink, then chat too much. That's it.
But don't aim too low. Get something for now, but aim high. Remember what me tell you.
Yeah.
Aim for the moon, and even if we miss, we'll be amongst what? The stars. I'm proud of you. Before I go, let me see a word of prayer as a mission and I'll go upon you now.
Mommy, you see, only thing if you pray for, I said no, not the two we no breed. Because I try with them in the house now, and we have suffer, we can't feed one another. Just imagine if the two we go out there and go breed.
Oh God, that's
Oh
five more.
God!
That's five more.
Nobody lock it off forever. You know, come remember say me want hold my grand picnic then before me close my eyes. But not yet, not yet. No, man, next 10, 20 years, cause we all gonna live long.
Alright, pray now.
now. Lord, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for these two beautiful girls. As I'm gonna touch the road, go with them, Lord. Be their mouth, be their foot, be their everything. Guide and protect them so they go in and come back home safe and achieve the mission and greater than the mission that they thought they were going to do in your name. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Go with
Alright,
God.
now we so come back.
Alright,
Alright.
mommy, is it
Yes,
true
baby.
that already this morning?
Mm-hmm.
We never pay up a bed, but me I beg you please.
Yeah.
Pay up a bed for
If
me,
you can't predict, if you're not too tired.
No, man, listen, where's a team? You go permission. That's the least we can
Alright.
do. We're going to do the outside bits them first, though. Okay, hot. Walk good, my daughter, then. Walk good. The floor down now.
Daddy,
Yeah, man, I go on.
they are trying to find a hustle.
Hurry me out, you know.
No.
You know,
I want
say,
to look at hustle. If I break up 2 yards or something.
yard, wake up here. Bro, we not there for anything there. Only what me know about right now on my phone. So if you come, you come. Because what me I go right now.
You know another? More physical work. Like, great. So I call someone over to start chop out it. Over to start doing work.
But man, it better me hurry up come go me I go. Because you know I'm chatting with sense, you know, brother. Them are working can feed you and pay your money and clothes and shelter you.
If I even want 2 grand work, I want it.
Two-
I can
two
put
grand
some
can
dinner
do.
for my table to come
What
up.
2 grand can do?
Only
Brother, you want
you can buy 2 pounds of rice, 2 pounds of flour, oil, onion and some if you put it in my house.
bad man, you want more than that to put in your house. The work when me know how me I
2
go.
grand is better than nothing. More than when I come with them, I go put myself in a trouble. A scam.
Bad
You know
man,
that?
right now you're not chatting out, it makes sense to me.
No,
Right
no,
now,
no, scam.
you stir up my brain and my brain have to take up to go up on the work. So,
You
Really?
don't know nobody like say, oh, kind of.
bro, come on, me teach you a game.
Only game I know if you play a cricket. You don't know whether it's game.
Someone I
And
do.
that me
You
play
waste
when
my
me
time.
grow
Yo,
up
really?
and Soccer.
Really? Because you don't waste my time.
Yeah,
man.
me I go, you know, pass the side to yourself. Nobody on the side.
No, you would have to check. Go and go check. Me never did look
Have a
over
look, I'm on the earth.
Oh, good evening.
Evening.
Yeah, no, it's fine. Work they are giving.
Work.
Yes, work.
Like what kind of work you want to do? So?
It don't really matter to it right now. We just want to work to help your mother.
Yeah, so any type of work you have can give, just let me know.
I think that's not for full work.
Alright, me will make you get a work, but would have to meet up back. Me have one bar, you know, where. You don't do bar work.
She always, me not really too like bar work.
Me
The
really
man
bar
they
work.
drunk then talk too much.
I want the money right
so
now.
what kind of work you definitely would have want?
If I even want supermarket work, but if I have the bar work, me take a bar work.
Me have one brethren named Paul, where I want supermarket work. I don't know if you want the supermarket work for him.
Yes. I told you we are getting.
Probably tomorrow.
No.
You want to know, you single?
Yes, she's single. She don't want a man.
What you do?
Yeah,
Oh, you know that. Let me speak. I am single, but I'm not interested in no man at the moment. We just want to work, get little money, and then we can talk about man.
Good thing, good. But tomorrow, I want to link me up a fancy yard.
Fancy you to live?
Yeah, up there, so.
Alright, 3 link to then.
Alright.
Yeah. What on a joke thing at the
No, man,
front
serious thing.
Alright. Yeah. If me get that work, oh God, the first thing me I do on my ear. First thing I do on my ear. And then me buy 2.
Yeah, for sure. If I were you, I'd do my ear first. Alright.
And if they say nothing, the mercy of God. Right. So the first thing I do, girl, is my ear. That's when I do my ear, I throw in 2 pieces of bread, I peer that girl, watch. And second thing I do, I buy some clothes, peer that girl. But
Show
when
me
2
once.
pieces of bread and the girl, them are mad.
I want Gucci slide. I tell her the cheap
No, mama,
perfume.
your money you have to use mine way. You have to cook food, what we are going to eat.
So you feel work?
And throw in 2 pieces of bread.
Put in here.
Yes, to make the girl them dead. So we can take a man.
I want Gucci slide so me can look rich.
You see, I told them how them ugly. That's you have to stick to Crocs.
I'm gonna do a pedicure.
Remember saying I have no toenail for one of the two of them. You have to stay to Crocs for the two of them hide. I say me now, me a hot girl from morning. You see you disgrace me a while ago. Make somebody that pass and sit me on me, you know, roll right or something.
If nobody a pass, I could do nothing.
Kelly, I no time now for argue. I no time for argue. You talk about when we get the work or we are going to spend our money on something, right? So what time tomorrow you think we're going to start work?
I don't know, right? I'm thirsty. My throat dry.
Yeah, if I tell you oh, mommy, what?
You think so? I walk and I look work.
We got my work.
Already?
Yeah, we get 1 month so we have to start with
I
tomorrow.
was so on the move. What kind of work can I get?
So normal work. When instead me I go one supermarket and she go one bar.
I'm setting, boy.
What?
We don't take my number.
You get working in a check.
But instead of me link it up at the yard. Mommy remember the yard name, but
Lord God, and then I go work.
we can't remember.
Well, I shop me I go. So congratulations. When you come home. Well, when we go shop and come back, when you still go there.
No man, we are going done by then.
Alright, we do a big cook up hunting.
Alright.
I'm proud of you.
But I buy no macaroni today no.
Oh God.
My
Well,
water for me, they make me thirsty. Bad.
alright. I like how we're not big working girls. We can buy whatever we
Alright.
shopping.
Girl, the man says somebody yard up the south. You remember the yard? Oh God, by the time you're good and go think.
Hello. Come here. What do you mean? We will eat it. Okay, there.
Whatever.
You know what they?
If
No,
I
you
tell
work.
you say, I hit me there, I walk up and I look. Right now I go up on one side up there so. Out the full and say the lock off done. So I go at bottom and go see. I can get a little piece of work down there. 5 feet. Or 2 board or something.
Whenever they ask about no work, boy, say me thought it work for me.
Then they work me at that about.
I say, okay, I don't want to say, I'm sorry. I'm too
What
hot
I'm
for
just
that.
Then they used to any work Kayla.
What happened to
No,
that?
sir. Anyone,
If they want the body, I'll be available because I can fling 2 buckets and I can
Sure.
mix malta.
If they want nobody anything, then if you want to come back over there, come call you know.
So we are going to walk back and you go down this. And then we are going to hear say no, then no want no more somebody if you go walk, come back up. You see your son hot?
Me,
Is that the
me
day
go
come
down.
back for it or you not come back for it?
Me don't even know no from Adams. I him alone, me know.
We don't know her from.
You see my
Long
one.
story, girl.
Me don't know. Me
Long
go down yourself.
story.
Yeah, later.
You know, see you one little sneaking girl. Where you know him from? Girl, I want to be a walk. See, said boy, you see that one fast and forth. One of them, you walk. He said, we should ask him if you know, it's stupid. You see the two of them turn up, like they know they wanted that. And you stupid cause me don't know none of them.
And you know, say me see him, I'm like him. But me I play hard.
Which one of them I like?
The black one.
Ah.
Clearly the black one.
So the brown one that look you. You know want the brown one. Anyways, they should have gone to the side to come girl before mommy come back down and come see. I can't go down.
Okay, I'm hungry.
Oh God, I'm tired. You can't believe I reached in before me.
This was see if I can.
No, dear.
What happened?
You know nonsense it's true. Oh, Gosh, I'm already.
Tired. Yeah, man.
So you left the things I'm in the kitchen?
Yeah, I'm leaving in the kitchen. And so
So go sit down now.
I can't know see me come.
Go sit down, man. No, man, that
the
man is a
sun
big
beat
man.
me, man.
Sure, mommy, and if you make me or pandemic, yeah, I can't take them body life anymore.
Yeah, you ask one question. You think you have to get to our work like going on a subject?
That is why when me did I tell you to take your book, huh?
But
You
me
never want to
ask
listen.
you for shame me.
And come tell the boy in the past. It don't happen, I'm gonna already, mommy.
Alright, you see when you have subjects and you qualify, yeah, you can't pick, choose and refuse. But hold on, me think sound to get work already.
Yes, but remember say the idiot never collect the number. And she see the friend and still never ask the number. So tomorrow now we have to go up there in case my pass. Cause the yard will say if we come, me need to remember the yard name. I remember.
Oh no, I gotta get job and I can't remember. No, better sort out to the memory here. But you need
I mean, I'm thinking of no work. Cause she said, Iman, the boy a friend, what she see. Oh, the boy and him for be friend and the boy look work and he not give him friend work. But anyway, tomorrow we will know.
Who a scammer? The one that look work?
No, we don't say nothing about scammer, mommy.
Oh.
So, what you say now? What about the subject them? How we can get subject like how we left school already?
Like how me don't want to do menial work and wash people underpants like me. So me think the two of us will go hearts.
Hard school
Go
and
get
money.
a sub, get a trade.
Hard school and money.
I'm not going to take it out of your head and put it on the floor and step on it and sweep it out the door. I'm not going to hurt. I'd rather go plant yam and banana and then something there.
I have land to plant them pan.
I will capture a piece of land. I'm not going back to no more school. I'm not going hard. I can't take that.
I don't have a problem to go back to the art school, right?
Perfect.
It's like what me alone I go send me where will find little money. She alright, cause she want to work in a bar. Me want to be a criminal lawyer. Me I really want to work in no bar in no supermarket. Me I want no Chinese. I look for me and tell me something late. Me want to be one lawyer to the criminal them.
And Shanice have the mud, so you not have no problem.
Yes, not have no. And in the future, me maybe have to defend she.
Let me ask one question. You want to be a criminal lawyer? I will tell you one upon the victim side
or the criminal
side.
The criminal.
You're worthless.
How?
I say if one man shoot one man down the road, they go back him and stand over him.
You have to have evidence why you shoot the man. You have to tell me why you shoot the man. You know, so sometimes in life when you take things wrong, because look on it now. Me I tell you what me want. You are a bad man, me, and say me selfish, right? You good to kill me. You alone are going to be available for talk why you kill me. You good like I say me did eat a fish, make you kill me. Then again, me knows not myself. If me did live in, me could speak for myself. So you have to be available for the ones that cannot speak, so I can speak for them. There is two sides to each story. The man has to have a reason why he shoot the man down a road. You don't know if the man been a torment him and he just get fed up one day and he just bust a shot on him.
You better go say something.
Because hey,
Kayla, you the time.
No man, shut the mouth for talk. From you
Mommy,
have the brains, you do what you want to do.
Me know everything now, but that's why I go to school and learn. Don't to she go and cook some food for me and you. She can go plant yam and banana.
And there is nothing wrong with farming. Everybody have to eat and money in the dirt. So if it's farming you want, God will find a way.
Your daughter nonsense, but she talk like always foolish.
No, me don't want you to berate her. You do your farming, you do your lawyer. You have the mouth and the brains free.
Yes.
You'll find a way. Alright, make us start the part.
You didn't have sense, you would call it the man number. You're damn need that. Oh, you never forget up? No. Alright. We can go to bed to mommy and mom. Yeah. You know you're the outside already.
Yeah, man. Too hot in the house.
I think I want to talk to you. I have something I want to ask you. I want to ask you my Kayla here, right? Okay. I come at 18 now, right? I'm reach the age of consent and something. If I have one little boyfriend, I can introduce him to you. You accept him or something?
Well, I know so you're a big girl now and you have your feelings and things. So I know so this day would come. So from you like him, would accept him. But the one thing me not tolerate, for you or Kayla, you see any man and they name D, any man thinks they can pass them place and rank with you, my baby them, and put them hand pan for me picnic them. But you see from him now put him hand pan you and not disrespect you and Kayla in any way. Of course if I have your man, when there's human you're gonna have feelings. Of course.
So You don't have a problem if I have a boyfriend then?
A boyfriend, yeah.
No, I mean, I really have none. Me just ask yourself if you have a problem.
From them no trouble you and do.
You have
this.
man?
Yes. But you just come like some
Mommy,
Uh-huh.
you just give me an idea. Mommy, I see a boy what I like from the other day, but I
you
play.
don't even know a sentence. I say a boy what I like. I say a boy that I like.
Well, never mind. Your sister share. One.
You see one boy I like from the other day. But me I play Harden.
Yes,
Must
you know,
stop
it's
play
too
Harden.
easy.
No, I'm stop play Harden. No, I'm bringing home. That just there.
Yeah, as we tell your sister, from them not touch you and them not abuse you, because then we would have to unalive. Silla. So from them I treat you right. Now say fall in love and get married straight away.
Yeah.
Experience life, yes. You have to know what life is, so you like him.
Yes, me see my like, but me not tell him as yet.
Alright. Don't play too easy to get, but don't play too hard either. Know the balance.
Yeah.
Alright.
So me I go on the radio coming
No, you can't go out.
by himself.
Me bad.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
You sure you don't want to come?
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
And share rate the yard. You're good. As I was saying, do your thing, baby, but be wise.
Yes, mommy.
Alright.
As soon as you have one of you first, I go know.
Oh gosh. Annette. Yeah, sit down in the dirt. Sit down.
Yeah, get a little sweet up, man.
Hello. What one?
But we have moved so fast.
I never get any in the last time. Man, I remember you.
You know me the first time me I chat you. You remember
Taga.
me? The time when you up there saw my friend I chat you. Me just did all listen. Like me I say, you remember me?
Oh, come on, me see somewhere about between that
Me
chat.
there look at drug festival. So.
Oh, did you? No, me know you're from. So I go on, you
And
good?
me there sell this thing there.
So I go
Yeah, so you
on,
don't want to sell a man.
So I go on, you good?
Me there I would want to chop now with one. To buy
Do what?
some material. To go for my yard.
So you know, see me there in time. I can't buy more juice. Like a time hot, sun hot and something. I buy more juice.
Before we go to juice thing, we'll talk about me and your fear thing.
Oh, well, you know, me see I like if you
I
want.
mean, see you like,
Me see I like you back.
you like me back now, all of a sudden you like me
Yeah,
back.
I like you
You
back.
know, but I'm my friend. So my friend will tell me say he might chat and
No. Nope, we're not talking. Me see me diss him up. You see me diss him up. Me no want man like them there. Oh. But anyways.
yeah, still me buy a friend something to buy. I will give me back your number. See your phone?
Yeah, but me left here yard, me now walk on the road. Come again over.
Of course, yeah. It's a long time since I want to see you back in. So I pass some material. You buy some sand. You go for me yard. What's that? Tell me a bill on the veranda.
Hello, pa.
So me help for.
What that?
Oh, that just to buy one bag juice. No more. Buy one bag juice. As me I say that for exchange.
Me buy one juice on the shop there so.
Hey, me I buy a juice.
$50?
Buy a fruit bag juice, two fruit bag juice. You put them in a one cup full of ice, cool down for your beer. Fresh.
So how you come look me and you buy me bag juice? How you come look me and buy me bag juice? And I went on money now.
You see
You're too mean.
thing with uno woman, uno ungrateful.
Me not ungrateful.
Because you say you're thirsty and me I buy you something so you can drink. It's in a bag juice or soda, whatever. You can drink it and cool down.
But no, you have money. You could have buy a bigger juice or a big jewel. But don't worry.
Next time, me can buy a
No, about next time, baby. You know?
Like
Hush, man. Hush. Me not ungrateful.
Stop being ungrateful.
Me just go pretend say me not here where you say cap. Me know say I have the money. Me just come on, go buy the juice. Go buy the juice.
Exchange, take me now first. Me have phone.
I'm not putting on my big guy them. Me not say me not bring my phone with me.
You have phone?
Me have phone. Me leave it at yard. Take mine.
I left my phone at yard.
Jesus Christ. Tell me your
probably
number.
Alright. 804 66 66.
Okay, me remember. 804 66 66.
My number that.
Right, come on, go buy juice.
So out me there wait for the truck still on me and them should come here.
Come on, go buy one bigger juice, man. Come, I know you have it.
Just go on. Me have to wait for the truck. The truck out party so we can material up on my yard and I don't want to miss.
So, no, man. I'm
You don't hear me and say
alright, come and tell you about them. Me will left the juice last. Go take a walk, go up your yard, we go look for the material.
Understand.
Go up your yard.
The truck will come, me have to wait for the
no, the truck, no. Come go up your yard, and come on and me go up your yard.
You listen.
Go up your yard.
Oh God, it's so wow. Never walk up on Kayla. Where's she go?
Boy, get up there, sis. Yo, hello.
Huh? Hi.
Wait, only go back to your work.
And I link with a link you back, you know. Your number. Remember, so we didn't get a number.
So, I never tell them to come here.
We don't remember which part they say. So we never get to come. I don't know my sister gone. And she me did a walk and look for me. I don't see her.
I'm glad she gone because she full of attitude and I'm glad we book you one because I find you them if you tell us I like you know. And I'm here for your part. Yeah, and me I tell you the truth. I like to get a baby from you.
You're gone too far now. You see the leg part? That's alright, but I don't think me can't have no baby right now because as I can see, I mean I'm my sister and my mother. My mother raised Chloe by herself. We live in a 1.5 bedroom. My mother give me the biggest one and have a little cabinet for herself. If you ever breed me now, when me have carry the technical?
You not afford if me breed you know, you're at my yard.
Oh, you live somewhere? So I can I also have?
Don't worry about that one. You don't need for it.
Well, it seems like a nice person. We can talk, you know, and get along, try to know each other. But the baby part, we think about that the next 2 years.
See if I'm comfortable with this summer, man.
Oh,
Believe.
so you don't want to meet my mother or something? Because it seems nice. Mother like to carry her to my mother.
What do you think about that?
No, you have to come. You have to come now.
Alright, where should it?
She there, but she yard. Come. Not too far from her, so.
Alright.
Alright, there's some leave, right? Oh, this is my mother. Hello. So, yes, so mommy, so the boy, when I tell her, say me like, and him a look me. So, I carry him to introduce him to you, so I can see if I can get your blessing or something before we gonna further.
Okay, well, as Shanice said, I'm Charmaine, her mother.
I'm Tibi.
Tibi, pleased to meet you. I'm glad you bring him to me, as you said you would.
Yeah.
But you see, for blessing, to be honest, you have to see some improvements. Me not gonna lie.
What happened now,
Young man, you did tell him say it's me I carry meat?
Yeah. Just
Young
like
man.
how father got to come as you are, me make him come as he is.
Young man, you see when you're going to meet the mother and big people, please and thanks, know where your trousers down your knee. Pull up your trousers when you're going to big people house. You see? Come when I want to see your body and your underwear. We call underwear. I don't need to see it. And your foot them, your shoes them even fit. Thank you for bringing him and introducing him to me. But if this is a serious thing, Tibi, you say your name?
Yeah.
Okay. I like how you stand there and take it and have manners to some extent. But you see, when you're coming to big people house, you have to dress better, my dear. And you're going to walk the street with my child, please and thanks. When at least we can't tell you what to do outside, but at least when you're walking with my baby, please pull up your pants, man, and dry in your shoes. Make your shoes good.
Give me a minute, let me show me.
Alright.
Just want to talk to you.
I'm sorry if you remember that. It's just such a steer.
You know, so me I can't go home, because you know like how you make your mother deal with
Ah, I'll talk to her. Me see her tomorrow.
Tomorrow,
Yeah, maybe we just have to talk without she. Because I just remember that steer. I have to just understand.
Alright.
Alright. Mommy, come here. You know, so we do a while ago wasn't right. You could have at least jam me one side and say it to me. You never have to say it in front of him.
Me know, baby, but me never expect you to bring him some. Me never me expect you to pick up a good looking
But
man.
him, yes, him good looking. Him brown and me black. The baby will have nice complexion.
And not that you for look for.
Who for look for?
You for look for responsibility, man. From me see me
He
spirit.
have him 1 yard. He say if me for breed for him right now. me
And I
can come.
thought breed already. And that's
If
why
you
my
want
spirit
me give
never
a baby
take
for
him.
him.
That's why, my girl, me can't choose for my daughter. And me can, you ask my opinion and me give it. Huh?
Alright.
Him really gonna come meet you. I surprise you, surprise him. Him really did not say it's your mother him a come meet. With him back to your door.
It's the same steer, same
think-
original steer. What him to do?
Him
Dry
think-
it up for please.
Yes.
Oh,
You
next
don't
time
come
you
to
know.
big people.
Alright, maybe
so.
tomorrow will change. Go on, mommy.
You
Me
want to
thirsty
see
right
that?
now.
You want to see that? Oh, tired.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
I want to talk to you about something.
Yes.
Remember the guy when me carry come show you?
Mm-hmm.
I think me and him are gonna stop talk because me find out say I know in this end look customer service work, but another type of work in the end though.
What kind of working book?
Scam.
Hey!
I think me want no police lock me
No,
up.
no, 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 no. No, no, no.
Me think me I gonna let him go and then say mothers know best, so me just come to you to talk to you so you can tell me what you think right.
Shanice, I'm glad so you come to me. But that is why I teach you and Kayla follow your spirit first time. Remember,
But-
so we meet
you
him, I
see-
never like him first.
But mommy, you see boy we carry come show you. I him me did like but he never liked me and he told you. So
Well, baby, there's plenty good man in the sea. Good man no short. Them just too and far between, here. You might have to find and search till you find one. Or you might be lucky and you go through a bad one now and the next one you find treats you better. But yes, I agree with you. That's sure the Tibby one.
yeah, man,
Him no good.
work with him.
Anything no start good at morning, now go end good at evening. I mean, never like him from the first time me see him.
Anyways, mommy, just that me need come to talk to you about me granddad till I come back.
Alright. Yeah, man, me think see you doing the right. Me grow you with sense.
I never liked him in the first place.
God, no rest for the wicked. Yes, baby.
What
dear?
What wrong?
I think many man me have a go work. You know I go work with that time, mommy. You know I go work. He nice and everything, but you see what he want and that me want. He want me there in a grown. Me not a farmer girl. Me not find that right now. Me am now go work at all.
So if the hard working one now go work with you, what you want? You know what? No man,
Me
none
don't want
at
a
all.
man none at all. Probably in the future me
Okay.
find another, but me don't want a man right now. But mommy, between me and you, you know what I realize something about Shanice, man.
What about him?
A scammer.
Hey! How you know so scammer that?
Mommy, you see chain around your neck? I hope your man ain't go forget that chain around your neck.
Hey, me did think so, you know, me did have a feeling about
Yes,
that, you know.
type of chain around your neck. Big chain. You know they ain't go forget that chain there?
Where?
Me don't know about hope your man.
Jeez, me did tell you, me feel something about him, you know. Anything that start good a morning can't end a good a evening.
I am money, you know, but you see my sister, I don't know I go on a fear head about how she don't like ask man for money. She a idiot.
She right, me grown up to be independent. And me glad say she not got to that there for money. Eh? Little more than that him hold her down and do whatever else. No, so me glad see them done.
I so glad say my man I'm that talk to never stay so come. You know what thing go you want me to talk to him in the
nice one.
Yes, in that influence me to be independent.
So what's wrong with that?
You do something, mommy. Now that every relationship you not gonna know it has stuck into mean. You know no money and me want money to mean. But you see fear man no, I'm just so glad to hear him say like I see a fear man. Fear man can influence Shanice to go do things. You know?
Yes. From me see me never like that. From me see that me not like that. That's why we glad of prayer, my daughter, prayer. God is a mighty God. Me pray upon it, you know. Me pray upon it. And look how God work it. And she and him left. The only thing me disappointed. Yes, they left. She gonna leave him.
Thank God.
She gonna leave him.
Thank
I'm glad. Cause me not want influence, but me be pray upon it.
Thank God so much. Me say, mommy, and I have to see him out too. Me not like him. From man, me see me stomach not take him.
No, me not like him.
And I mean, like to why you hop over the too long for the moment he come in here, she taste if not come back in your yard.
Let me
You
tell
go
you.
sacrifice your hobby people.
No. Let me
get
tell you
rich.
something. You see, God's power, nothing can be God's power. No matter who him want pray to. And you see, if me was one of them mothers that come and say, no, they'll push Shanice for closer to him. Make she find him out on her own. And so my mother and father raised me have to make my mistakes on my own. And then they for guide. With his parents, they for guide. You have to walk your path.
Well, I say go, mommy.
I'm glad you find out, but me have to go really pray and cleanse.
Shanice. Evening, Miss Shamian.
Good evening.
Shanice, they here?
No, she ain't. She gone out with her boyfriend.
Her boyfriend. Where you get that from?
So you never know, say my sister never want you. Never know say she have a man. She a play, you know. She got up on the road with her man. You come like a the baboon.
Most joke you make.
And a joke me I make.
Charge it. Alright then.
Yeah.
Look more.
Look more.
But God, I never know, say.
I mean, shut up and look at finger. Okay.
I'm done. Me never know, sir. So your mouth sharp. You do right still, but me never know, sir. So you bad.
Yeah.
Boyfriend, you really make sure him now come back.
Up with you in no foolishness. He got to go and going to go.
We're not gonna come back after that.
Right.
You say when you say boyfriend, me never know where to put my head.
So you put it.
You know, see when me put it, me just turn my head and make you talk, cause you have it under control.
Well, I'll say go, mommy, but right now I go on the road.
Alright, be careful. But boy, I can't do it like you, you know.
Oh.
Eh? How about if you get Shanice in trouble?
Shanice not getting in no trouble.
What if you get Shanice in trouble with what you say?
What me say? What me say no wrong?
You run him here something, but me not like how you drop Shanice in it, so you could have come out with something better than
Better
Shanice
like what?
boyfriend. Because look how me I turn my head.
Mommy, you lucky if you want to put on your head. You don't know what is best.
No, sir, what you mean me don't know what is best? Me is the mother. You have to, when you're handing a lion mouth, girl, you have to take time dry it out. But we just say, Imina, you don't know what am I gonna do now? You make him mad with Shanice. You have to think sometimes, you know. Sometimes your mouth go before your brain. Me not say run him, yes. I mean I want her with her, she don't want him. But if you use your mind, cause you're handing a lion mouth, you don't know what am I gonna do.
Why can't I go do more than sacrifice her?
And that you want?
I'm missing if I go there with scammer. That's my business.
You know what crossed my mind too? Me kinda feel a little bad.
Boa.
We not no proof say my scammer and obia man. Eh? What if we blame a boy wrongfully and then go send him to Shanice in a temper?
Listen to me, mommy.
Maybe we shouldn't have said that because we might have judged him wrong, you know.
Mommy, we're not judging wrong, we judge him right. It means that can me say this to you too. You see, if him a working honest money or he honest bread, anything where you want to say,
Then we're
anyway,
wrong.
or anyway you want to put it, in the working honest money. You know why? Because he can't just get up and go up on the phone and say, send me some money. No, I just say, go and hold like friend people and full food. Some of them have sense and some of them wise. You have to get on the phone and I work hard and I put in the right word and I work and I work. So I work for honest money.
And this is a strong word here. You might work for money, but you're not honest.
You know who me I think are the people them? The people in the bank. And then the people are people.
You
so you must
idea.
know.
You have an idea. But still.
Still you chat too much.
Remember who you talk to. You can be 19, you could be 59. Me still your mother.
Me don't want a good mood. Me don't want. In mind that you upset me, but me not upset with you, but you get to the head.
Space. You need your space.
You know the best thing
and you need to take
I
your foot out of my face while you're at it before my hand fly.
Because I'm with you right now.
Ranking out order. Ask him if it's true. No, sir. I forgot to talk to Shanice when she come home. I don't like it.
Hello.
Hi.
Which part is sister then?
Me look like my sister keeper.
I'm overgrown and then me look. Me don't see her.
Oh, you know why? Because my sister do not like work. Yeah, you see that type of grown business then? My sister not gonna do that for too long. My sister just gonna do that for 1.5 year and expect
Tell
say.
me say she agree to work and deal with the crops good. No, she does feel like say she can take up herself.
Oh well, you know if you tell her say, but you should understand Fred that is just my sister. She do not like to do plenty of work. My sister just a go like
things,
yeah, make me talk here now go make
money.
Yeah, make me talk right now, make me talk. Let's start my phone. My sister do not like to work. She like money. She want to do. You see like how me can beat Banit. My sister not go want beat no panic. Yeah, she want a good slide and she want all those things. My sister not go do the ground business for too long.
Yeah, me say. Still and still. And you may really like it.
So how you did feel like me and go there with my sister?
No, it's your sister there show more interest.
Oh. Well, I guess I'm your loss. I'm sorry to say, but you see, I'm telling you something about my sister now. See, my sister, she's just about money. You see, she had say she beg your bag juice and them things then. Can better say never bag juice she beg you. I just you buy her bag juice. And bag juice she beg you?
You said she want big juice.
See, my sister not used to, my sister grew up in a poverty. She expects a man go take her out of poverty like this. And she come out of poverty. When I see back my sister, I don't know if she didn't know, but yes, when I see her, just wait till she asks her for something. So when she asks her for something, you tell her say no see her so because you don't have no help in the farm, so you don't get to sell nothing for a morning. And you hear how she angry. Me I come go over and look about something give my mother, because if she alone, my mother dead for hungry.
When you talk, Shan, I don't know why I never pick that one.
Hello. Welcome. Okay.
Boy, I can't believe you left me in a gum.
Well, I want to want upon that. Anyway,
Look,
then I have
before you
no
just
money.
tell me say yeah, go away. I understand.
Shh. Ask if I have no money. Want money.
Me don't have no money right now because even if I have help, I could have get to go market to do something. You're gone.
Where's the while I got to go?
Me don't have no money. You may go market, me don't have money.
What do you mean by you not have no money?
You
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
Me not have no
You see a little
money.
time me and you there? I realize me here can't do. My toe want to do want a newspaper, want a Gucci set and all of me can't get a Gucci set. You know see your broken paparazzi boy? It's a good for nothing boy. Oh you feel no money, you're a big man, how you feel no money?
Me meet her with ear do. Yeah, new supers.
How you really take this thing for? Me shouldn't there with you.
Explain to you, me say things always take time, you know, a slow season, you know. Slow season with the farming, and so you understand, you come in and ground with me. And now you say, me not get you nothing.
Hello. Me and if it 2 weeks now, I'm in a relationship I go nowhere. This not work. You know what me I do? Me out there with your friend. Cause him have money. Cause you see your friend, he have a big chain round neck. That means he ain't go a hobby man. Scammer. Why you never gonna do that?
You know what he might do to get free money?
Me not business. He have the money and go and spend it on me. Me not business.
This is a young girl, you know.
Don't care.
Money, you know, greedy.
Who greedy?
Oh no, oh, if you hold out with that man.
Ah, you go with that broke pocket man. You are good for nothing broke pocket man. You don't have nothing.
And you know, say, me have the money.
You know
Me
what?
have money could I give, you know. Me have money could I give, but this is
That's not money.
This is true.
That's not money.
No, me
that's
have
not
more.
money. That's 3,000. 3,000 is not money. I'm gonna say this to you.
Don't worry yourself.
All you want to do is dig. We never go scam like your friend. When they cause him me I go there with.
Me no want
him me I go there
Me
with.
no want.
What you want to do? Dig dirt? You can reach off a dirt? When you dig dirt, you rich.
Me a farm, and that me want to do.
I don't know why me pick up on crosses like a you in my life. What me doing something like a you? You know, we can't fix up me and put on wig on my head.
The next thing is you're too ready, aye. You're too ready, aye. That me
You see me, I look ready, I look. You look big and white and black. Simple as that.
Because you see, with money, you want money. Fast money you want.
Yes.
You don't want the money where we are.
Slow money is no money. Slow money is no money.
You know,
fast money,
hard working money. You want.
You work hard for that.
Go.
You work hard.
Go and get the fast
I
money.
think I do. I hit me go and look for back it up
Yeah.
pan. So glad me never give you nothing.
Back it up on you. When what come with the fast money, I hope say you accept it too. I can't believe this a girl. Look how he just paint that good picture. I know he just turn out bad. No sir. He come like grandma's zone without a label, bunny.